Welcome to StreamLine Marketing Pro. This is Jenny Carlson, co-founder and 20-year real estate industry professional. Join me as I share one of the many features of the StreamLine Marketing Pro system. Super excited today to share with you our template suite. This is our social media content, but not just social media. We're also providing some bonus content every month. So as of, for instance, we are providing blogs that you can simply copy and put into your own blog. You can also edit it. So if you want to give it more of your tone, your style, just put it into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to edit it for your style. So we are offering things like DIY Pop-bys, different brochures for buyers or sellers. So lots of bonuses in there. I think in December, we've got one coming up that is a round label that you can use either on your Pop-bys or whatever materials that you're putting out, giveaways, that kind of thing. So you're always going to find some bonuses within that template suite as well. So you're going to find 30 new days each month, right? So a whole month's content every single month, you're going to find that. And you're going to have access not just to the Square version, the Instagram version, but you're also going to have the social post wording. So all you have to do is one click and it'll copy it. So you can put it into your social media planner and do your 30 days of content. It's fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to get there, what to do with it. And you'll notice right now you're in my account here with my most recent posting regarding the 50-year mortgage idea. They're also within the template suite. You're going to find reels and you're going to find carousel posts. So it's a good mix of content for you to use at your convenience. You can also edit everything so that it shows your face, your content, your number, your handles, your websites, those kind of things. So you're going to go in. All of these are usable with the free Canva version. So if you go in there, you don't have to worry about being a pro member to access any of our social media content. We want to make it as easy for you as possible. So I'm going to show you how to get there, what to look for, and also an easy way to take it from the template suite to your social media planner. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you that within our system, you can open as many tabs of pages within our system as you might want to. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Right now, we're in Chrome. I'm going to right click on the tab. And if I can get this, hold on, out of my way, I'm going to right click on the tab and we're going to click on the duplicate. And basically what it's going to do is open a new tab in the same window. So we were in the social planner. So it's just opening the social planner again. But what that does is it gives you two screens here. And again, you can do as many of these as you want. So you could go into every single menu item and have a tab for every single menu item if you wanted to. In this case, we're going to stick with the two tabs, and one's going to be on the social planner, and the other one, we're going to jump down and we're going to find our template suite, which if you scroll down this menu on the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to find template suite just above where you can schedule to meet with us. Remember, we're always available to help you. The best CRM is the one you use, and we want you to use the CRM. So we're always here to kind of help you do that, integrate it into your business and set it up so that it works best for you. So we're going to go ahead here and we're going to click on the template suite. And when you enter the template suite, the first thing you're going to see obviously is our full page here, but you're going to see on the over here on the menu on the right, November content. So every month you're going to see this change. So in December, you're going to see this change and it's going to say December content. But in addition to that, you can search by categories. So if you wanted to look for reels, for instance, you could go right here to reels and it will take you to the page showing the reel templates that you have available to you so that you can edit. You can put your face in here. Also, if you want to change the colors to your branding colors, you can do that as well. You can change the background images. So depending on your level of comfortableness with, say, Canva, and also your creativity, you can change these as much as you want to. For those who just want to plug and play, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and we're going to click on one real quick. I like this one. So I'm going to click on use template, and you'll notice that it takes you right here to create a template by StreamLine. And you're able to click on edit the template and open up Canva. And this is where you can make changes to this template. You can change the background image. You could even drag and drop an image of yourself from over here. So in uploads, obviously you want to have your own images as well. So you have that available to you anytime to make changes to these templates. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this, and we're going back to this page. And then I wanted to note that you can click on copy post wording here, and right here, here's your caption. Again, you can either use this caption exactly the way it is. If you want to change it to your style or add different things or information, you can always use ChatGPT to do that. Just copy and paste it into chat and, give it the instructions you want. But these should be ready to just plug and play. You're going to copy to clipboard. Okay. And then you're going to go over here to your social planner, do a new post, create new post. And in this case, you're doing a reel. You can literally click on all the accounts. That's going to include your YouTube, anything that you've connected here. I will, as an aside, say that if you are not if you do not already have a YouTube account, I recommend that you have it. If you don't already have a Google business listing, we recommend that you have it. And if you need help getting those things set up, of course, we're here to help you, because again, we want you to use it. We want you to maximize your marketing. And with the social media planner, there really is no reason not to have all the social media platforms and to be posting to those regularly. So I'm going to go ahead right here. You'll see type content. Well, we don't have to type it because we've copied it. So I'm literally, depends on if you like these shortcuts, but my shortcut is Control V, or you can right click with your mouse and you can paste from there. But I am a shortcut person, so I'm going to Control V, and you'll notice that now all the wording is in the box, as well as it's over here in the previews. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you have previews of what the post is going to look like. Now, this is where we want to add our media. So in this case, within the system, right? So had you gone over here, and let's go back to our template, and we're going to edit. You're going to want to download and save this to your computer. So once you've made your edits that you want, you've added audio, whatever it is that you want to do with it, you can download right here. And of course, MP4, go ahead and download. I always do it at quality, streaming quality, and click download and save it to your computer. And then you would go to your you would go to your social post that you're creating. And right here within your post options, you do have the video icon. And so you're going to click on that. And what it does is it shows you the videos that you have available. So I am randomly going to just pick one of these. They obviously are not going to be the social media posts that we were just looking at, but I wanted to show you how to load the image, right? Now, let's just say that the image is, of course, you need to get it into your media so that you can upload it. So I'm going to go back here one more time, and then you just click on upload on the top right hand side, and it's as simple as going to wherever you have the video saved choosing it, and it will upload to your media storage here. And it's very easy to do this. By the way, don't forget our media storage also connects to your Google Drive. So you can have your Google Drive hooked up to this and for ease of use. And I love that you can connect those things. So we have the video right here. It's been connected and you can see the video here. Now, here's a caveat. Here's something to be aware of, that when you look at this, you'll notice under the Google business listing that this video is not showing up. So it is a limit within Google itself. It does not allow our system to post videos. However, if the video is less than 60 seconds, you can go to your Google business listing directly and load this video in. It will do the single image posts. So your Google business listing, you can always update it with your single image posts. Anything else, you're going to want to go directly to your Google business listing to post videos or anything else. Remember that you can also post events. So if you're doing webinars or anything like that, you can post those on your Google business listing as well. So just a side note there. So in this case, since we cannot do the Google business listing with a video, especially one over a minute, I'm going to go here to the post to down arrow, and I'm going to uncheck the Google business listing. It would not allow me, I will tell you, it will not allow you to post that video for on that platform. It won't allow you to schedule or post with an error, and it says we have an error. So I'm going to scroll down, and of course TikTok, can everyone see it? I'm going to allow comments. We're going to add a title, so we're going to say ready to sell question mark, right? Whatever you want that to be. And remember that YouTube does do shorts. So if it's under a minute, go ahead and choose short here. And it says video not supported, Instagram Reels. Why? Because it is the wrong size. Now, you're going to have the right size when you do this because you're going to be choosing our Reels from our template suite. And again, this is just a random video that I've pulled in here and not the specific reel. So any reels will be the right size, but notice that the system will tell you if there's something wrong with one of the things, platforms that you're posting to. And so then I'm going to come over here though, and I'm going to say post now or schedule. I want to pull up that you can schedule. I'm going to choose tomorrow. And I just want you to notice that it will give you the best times of day to post. And so I'm going to choose Friday. And right now it's saying in the evenings basically is the best time to post. And let's go to next Tuesday. Yep. So it's really saying the evenings are the best time to post. Now, just as an FYI, earlier when I was posting and I was setting it up for tomorrow, it actually gave me 10 to 11 a.m. as being the best time to post, one of the times there to post. So it will change these times based on an algorithm of the best time to post, and those times can change. And so, like I said, just a few minutes ago, I posted and it gave me a 10 to 11 a.m. time frame. So I went ahead and posted during that time. So then all you would have to do is schedule a post and you'd be set to go, and it would tell you that these items are scheduled. So right now, when you look at my social planner, you'll see that everything's published. But had we scheduled that, it would show up here. And instead of saying published, it would say scheduled. Now you can do this for the entire month, not a problem. You just start from the very beginning. And let's go ahead and jump back over so that you can see. We're going to go to the home page, and then I'm going to go here to November content, starting with day 1 of the month. And now this is all of your content. So you'll notice here we have some individual single posts. Anytime you see these little arrows, you can actually scroll through here, and those are your carousel posts. And then of course use reel, and you'll notice you have the different options for the sizing. Now here's what I found. Okay, so The square doesn't work well on Instagram, but Instagram tends to work fine on both Facebook and LinkedIn. So if you are doing image posting and you don't want to do the individual sizes for the different social media platforms, that's not a problem. Just use the Instagram, and that one will translate okay across the different platforms. Now, that may change, you know how they are, they're constantly changing things. But as of now, and we're in November of 2025, that is working. So feel free to do that if you just want to, edit one version. And again, you go here, you click on your Instagram, it's going to take you to edit template. You click on edit template, it's going to take you to Canva. And again, you can use this with your free Canva account. And of course, you can copy the post wording, copy to clipboard, just click on that, it's copied, and all you have to do is paste it in, and it even includes hashtags. I do recommend that you go ahead and add your own hashtags for your name, your business, your broker, those kind of things. Go ahead and add those in, and I recommend that you have them on every single post, so feel free to just type that in real quick when you're doing it, and you will have a full month's content. Now let's scroll down a little bit so I can show you where you find your bonus material. So you will find your bonus material at the end of the calendar, on the empty days, right? Because we always have those empty days on either side. We've got 4 weeks plus a couple days. So you're on those empty days, we're going to have bonus material for you. This time we had some lender checklists, both for you as an agent and for buyers as well, because a lot of times buyers don't realize how important it is to choose their lender, and maybe they're giving you pushback on your list, or they don't understand what they need to look for in a lender. And so we created a questionnaire that a buyer can take and ask lenders when they're comparing lenders. So that is for you as well. And then as well as a pre-listing appointment questions for people to consider that agents can brand to themselves, and a pop-by or takeaway treasure during an open house DIY, which actually included all of the links for the materials through Amazon. We do not get anything for those Amazon links. We're not doing that, which I know many people are. They do articles and get money every time somebody clicks. But this is literally just a helpful list for you to use to make your own DIY, including the labels. By the way, we also had within this bonus, the download the instructions, a clickable link to 2 different styles of label that you could put on the little bucket or on the little mini paint can that you were going to fill up with items for them. And so that's available to you as well. So we try to think of a little bit of everything for you. And so that bonus material is there. Again, December is going to have 2 blog posts as well as other bonus materials. So that's your template suite in a nutshell. It's all here for you. You can go through one day, do a week at a time, do the whole month in one shot. You can have your assistant do this. Don't forget that you do have free assistant access under our system, and you can search by category, whether it's holidays, marketing, and we do intend to increase the number of posts that you will have that you can work with as well. And we also have flyers over here, which we will be adding to these, as well as postcards and other things. So this library is going to continue to grow, and you have access to it as being a Core Success Bundle member. So it's in there. You don't have to pay anything extra for that. It's included. So I hope this was helpful. Again, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We're happy to help you. Also, don't forget that if you don't want to take the time to do your social media, we do have staff that we can do your social media for you, and we charge a very low rate to do that. That is our intent, to make this affordable for all agents so you can manage your entire business through this system. Thanks so much for joining, and have a wonderful day.